This video will demonstrate how to install the hh2 sync client. Open your internet browser and enter new.hh2.com/downloads/client-setup.msi. Once downloaded, open and follow the instructions provided to install. This may take just a few moments to complete. This is our sync client. You will be able to quickly identify it by the icon with the two green arrows, found it here and found down here. You will see the many tabs along the top. Continue watching our additional videos that will guide you through each tab.